Ink on the page, rain on the glass, building a fortress, hoping it lasts. Structure and discipline, keeping it tight. Searching for poetry in the dim light. Wires and circuits, silicon soul, fixing the fragments, making them whole. Adventurous spirit with steady hands, understanding what nobody else understands. Oh, the universe loves a slow burn. Two orbiting planets waiting their turn, grounded together by gravity's pull, finding the magic in the breakable. In twilight's gentle glow, our silhouettes align. A shared gaze unspoken, a love that feels divine. No need for grand pronouncements, just the comfort that you bring. The melody of stillness where our spirits truly sing. You like your routine, I like the real.